there, this tutorial will show you how to add new categories, subcategories, and tags to your WordPress blog. Let's get started. There are two ways that you can add a category within WordPress. First option is the quickest way to add one while you're working on a blog post. While editing your blog post, go to the sidebar, make sure you have the post section selected, then scroll down into the category section. Here, you can check the category you want to use. If you're adding a new category, just click on the Add New Category tab, enter the category name in the New Category Name field, then select Add New Category. You can also add and edit your categories by going to your WordPress dashboard and selecting Posts, Categories. Here you will see the option to add a new category along with selecting if it's a subcategory by selecting the parent category and adding a description. We recommend to include a description of the category as it can be helpful for your website's SEO. Want to edit any of your categories? Then just click on the category you want to edit and you will see the Edit Category page appear. Here you can update the name, description, and other settings. If you are using the Yoast SEO plugin, you will see some additional fields available. Make sure to take advantage of these extra options as it can help improve your website's SEO. Similar to categories, we can add new tags when creating or editing a blog post. While editing your blog post, go to the sidebar, make sure you have the post section selected, and then scroll down to the tags section. Here, you will type the tags that you want to use. Separate with a comma or hit enter. If that tag has already been used within the blog already, it will appear below. Just select the tag and continue entering. It's that easy. Thanks for watching our WordPress how-to video. For more tutorials and resources, visit the Jelly Design Studio blog.